Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learner AK. Friends, today we learn about a very important topics Maxwell equation in term of four vectors. This is topic friends covariance of Maxwell equation in term of four vector covariant form of in homogeneous wave equation. This is very important topics friends. Let us start now. According to Maxwell equation in a homogeneous wave equation in terms of a scalar and vector potentials are given by covariance square A vector is equal to minus mu naught J vector covariance square phi is equal to minus rho by E naught. This is equation 1, friends. Friends, you can see there a square shape symbol is called covariance. So don't confuse, friends. The components of four vector for potential and charge are defined as AU is equal to A vector I by C phi, J is equal to J vector I 0. This is equation 2, friends. And the law of their transformation undergoes invariance is A dash U is equal to alpha mu v A v Z dash U is equal to alpha mu v J v. This is equation 3, friends, where alpha mu v are the coefficients of transformation matrix. Alpha mu v is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 v minus beta v I beta v 0 0 I beta v v. This is equation 4, friends. So the components of a four vector transformation according to the relations J1 dash is equal to J1, J2 dash is equal to J2, JB, J3 dash is equal to V, JB minus V rho, J4 dash is equal to V, J4 minus I beta J3. This is equation 5, friends. And A1 dash is equal to A1, A2 dash is equal to A2, A3 dash is equal to V A3 minus V C5, A4 dash is equal to V A4 minus I beta A3. This is equation 6, friend. Equation 1 in terms of four vector potential AU and four vector current JU becomes H. Covariance square AU is equal to minus mu naught JU del AU by del XU is equal to 0. This is equation 7, friends. The invariance of these equations require that in other initial term as dash, the form of this equation must obtain covariance square A dash U is equal to minus mu naught J dash U del A dash U by del X dash U is equal to 0. This is equation 8, friends. Let us use the components relations to establish the relation S. Covariance dash square A1 dash result covariance A1 dash. Therefore, covariance dash square is equal to covariance square. Covariance square A1 dash is equal to A1. Covariance square A1 dash is equal to minus mu naught J1. Covariance square A1 is equal to minus mu naught J1. Covariance dash square A1 is equal to minus mu naught dash J1 is equal to J1 dash. This is equation 9, friends. Similarly, for second component, covariance dash square A2 dash is equal to minus mu naught J2 dash. This is equation 10, friends. Now for the third component, covariance dash square A3 dash is equal to covariance square A3 dash is equal to covariance square V A3 minus V by C square phi. V covariance square A3 minus V by C square covariance square phi V minus mu naught J3 minus V by C square minus rho by E naught. That is covariance dash square A3 dash is equal to minus mu naught J3 dash. This is equation 11, friends. And at last, for fourth component, covariance dash square AU dash is equal to covariance square AU dash is equal to covariance square V A4 minus I beta A3 V covariance square A4 minus I beta minus mu naught J3 V minus mu naught J4 minus I beta minus mu naught J3 is equal to minus V mu naught J4 minus I beta J3. That is covariance dash square A4 dash is equal to minus mu naught J4 dash. This is equation 12, friends. Equation 9, 10, 11, and 12 together can be written as covariance dash square A dash U is equal to minus mu naught J mu naught dash J dash mu. This is equation A. Thus, we can see that equation A written the sum, some form as expressed in terms of unprimed. So Maxwell equations are invariant under Lorentz transformation. Thank you, friends. We meet in next video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me. Thank you, friends.